Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest collection of fast food toys. Yeah baby, and I'm here to tell you another amazing and stupendous and inspiring Percy's fast food toy. And it's a chicken from Chicken Run, brought to us by McDonald's. Yeah. Don't be afraid to stand up when you fall, to try and strive until you've given it all. And don't be afraid to learn from your mistakes. Don't let your spirit break and let you down. There's a spark of hope to guide you. Just believe in what's inside you. Someday all your wishes will come true. If you hold on to your dreams. Don't ever give up, no matter how hard it seems. Until you see the sun come shining bright for you. Hold on till your dreams come true. Ooh, dare to be strong and weather all the storm. It's time to cast your doubts and fears away. Stand brave and tall through troubles great and small. You beat the odds with just a little faith. There's a spark of hope to guide you. Just believe in what's inside you. Someday all your wishes will come true. If you hold on to your dreams. Don't ever give up, no matter how hard it seems. Until you see the sun come shining bright for you. Hold on till your dreams come true. This is from Chicken Run, McDonald's. Yeah. Until you see the sun come shining bright for you. Hold on till your dreams come true. When you're down and out, you must begin again. Until you finally reach the rainbow's end. Hold on to your dreams. Don't ever give up, no matter how hard it seems. Until you see the sun come shining bright for you. Hold on till your dreams come true. Hold on till your dreams come true. Okay, this Chicken Run Chicken from McDonald's, our fast food toy store for today. And thank you so much for tuning into Percy's Fast Food Toys. And hope to see you again with our next one.